You've just heard the new Koga Car Fun Extraordinaire speaker. So what is it, you ask? Well, it's a simple speaker that you can actually mount right on the top of your car. You don't have to, you can actually plug it right through. It goes right through the car. Hello. And it's actually, what it is, it's a it's a CB radio that you can actually speak into.
You can speak into this.
You gotta hold the button down.
Out of my way.
There you go, see? You can speak into it. Okay, go ahead and play some music. And basically, and there's 1,000 different sounds, music, and noises that you can hear on this thing.
Thousands of noises that you want.
Yes, and it's easy to set up, quick and easy. So all you have to do is take these two plugs. It comes in the kit, and you plug in the plugs, and it goes right into the
Car charger.
cigarette lighter there.
Car charger.
And that's pretty much it. And like you can put your own music and stuff on it too. And it's very cheap and very fun. You know, it doesn't actually. The nice thing is that it's quick and easy. You can set up at any minute's notice. And you know, here's a little picture of the and there's a volume button, and it's quite fun to use.
Lower.
And the nice thing is that you can also yes, and if you really want to get some annoying, you can actually put it right up to the speaker and do this. Yeah, if you really want to make some attention for yourself.
Exactly.
But
Not suggested for the cops.
yeah, so I mean it's a nice little utility to use. So if you guys are interested in it, check it out. Here's the website right there. It's CogaPa.com. So check it out. I'll see you guys later.